I never thought I'd be making a video about a light stand, but here we are. So this is the MagStand. This is the 9-foot version. This is the 11-foot version. Recently, MagMod invited me out onto a test shoot where I got to play with these, go hands-on, and the first thing that I said was, people kind of need to see and feel this for themselves to really understand how cool this is, because for the first time in my life, I'm excited about a light stand. First, I'm gonna demonstrate everything with this 9-foot version. The 11-foot version is absolutely identical. The difference just is in height, and this comes in right just over 5 pounds at 5.1. This is at 6.3 pounds. On top of that, this one is actually gonna fit into a standard luggage if you are traveling, which I'm gonna show you in just a second. The coolest feature, and the reason why we're shooting this wide, how to set it up. It's as simple as this. That's it. Oh, even better. You're shooting, you're working the dance floor, but you're like, I gotta move my light. It's one-handed. Did you see that? There's no more like, I'm not walking around banging people, creating lawsuits because I smacked grandma on the back of the head.
What?
Now that we're here, let's come a little closer. That same 2-button control. Do you hear how satisfying? I'm gonna show you in a second, but yeah, it's satisfying, it's smooth. When you let it go, it clicks into place. Who thought of this stuff? MagMod team, you've literally thought about everything in this. It's crazy. There's more. Watch this. At any point, I can convert this to a monopod, to a boomstick, where I can get light wherever I need it. How awesome is that? So this is how it fits into your luggage. One-handed again, did you notice that? That's how we get it to go in. What else does this thing have? At the base, we have a little hook, so you can connect a sandbag, hook it up to a bag. You can control the height of how high this sits. So if you want to place your bag there, your lenses there, you can totally do that. It keeps them safe, it keeps them off the ground, and it puts weight on the stand so it doesn't tip over. Oh my goodness. There's also channels in this leg. Now you'll see that there's already a little accessory there. I'm gonna show you how that works, but there's gonna be future accessories. So watch this. I can connect both of these and I can literally carry it around just like this. And I have 2 incredible light stands, one that goes up to 11 feet that I can easily carry and move with. There's so many freaking features on this thing that I can't remember them all. Do you hear it? I certainly hear it. It is so nice. MagMod, y'all have killed it with this light stand. I not only love it, I love all the quality of life improvements that have been made to this that for the first time have got me excited about a light stand, excited to get out and shoot with it. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope this was helpful. If so, leave a comment. I like to read them all, get ideas from them, interact. But I'll see you guys in the next video.